Today we're going to use these three verbs, tener que, necesitar, and querer, followed by an infinitive. This works just the same way as yesterday's did with pensar plus infinitive. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to conjugate the verb. So tener is a boot verb, but it is a go verb as well. So look at the yo form. Tengo, it's a go verb, okay? So it doesn't change from E to IE, but the rest of it does. Tienes, tiene, outside the boot, tenemos, and the last one, tienen. Take a second and conjugate the verb. It means I have, you have, he has, we have, they have. Notice this blue word que over here on the right side. We're going to add que after it to say to have to. So tengo que means I have to. Tienes que means you have to. And we'll add an infinitive. That's one of those words that end in AR, ER, or IR. The next one's going to be the verb querer. And querer is also an E to IE boot verb. And this one means to want to. So it's quiero, quieres, quiere, queremos, and quieren. So notice on the inside of the boot, all the E's change to an IE. And on the outside, it's just a plain old E. We're going to add an infinitive after it, and it's going to mean to want to do something. The last one we're going to use today is just the regular verb necesitar, which means to need. Yo necesito, tú necesitas, él necesita, nosotros necesitamos, ellos necesitan. All of these verbs are in the present tense today. So we're going to do a few examples. So the first one, this is how it works, okay? Like querer plus infinitive means like to want to plus infinitive. So I want to wake up early. So the infinitive is to wake up. So I hope you have your green vocabulary page out because you're going to be needing to use the vocabulary. So this one says, I want to wake up early. Yo quiero despertarme temprano. Again, if the infinitive is a reflexive verb, then we're going to have to make it match the subject pronoun of the first verb. Let's look at number 2. So this time it's going to be necesitar plus infinitive, which means to need to do something, okay? Like this one says, I need to get up at 6 a.m. So I need is yo necesito. And what is to get up? Let's look at our paper. To get up. So that is in a se. So what do I change it to for the I, for the yo? So yo necesito levantarme a las 6 de la mañana. The next one is tener que plus infinitive. So we're going to jump down to number 6. So number 6 says he has to dry his body with a big towel. So you got to take it in pieces. So he has to is el what? Let's look at the conjugation. El something que. So él tiene que. And what is to dry off? Secarse el cuerpo con una toalla grande. So notice that it was in the el form and secarse. All right. Let's go to the back here. Oh, I'm sorry. We're going to pause the video a second and you're going to work on number 1 through 10. Use your vocabulary on the green sheet to write your sentences. Welcome back. We're going to be on the back of the page now, And we're looking at antes de plus infinitive or even después de plus infinitive. So the first one, antes de, means before, and después de means after. So the first example, it's time for, this time you're going to conjugate the first verb, and then you're going to put an infinitive verb after antes and después. Okay? So I need to put on deodorant before I put on clothes. I know in English it says I put on, but I'm telling you in Spanish that's going to be an infinitive. So what does I need? Yo necesito. Okay. So look up to put on deodorant. Look up that right quick. So what is to put on deodorant? It would be a reflexive verb, but we got to match the yo. So ponerme desodorante. Now the word for before, antes de ponerme la ropa. So we have two verbs here, okay? So yo necesito ponerme desodorante antes de ponerme la ropa. So let's go to example number 2. So this one says, oops, you need to go to bed after you brush your teeth. Tú necesitas acostarte después de cepillarte los dientes. So you're going to try the next two. Welcome back for the last part. Okay, so we're going to label the drawing, and I want you to draw a line down the middle of your boy here. And on the left side, I want you to label it with the 8 words that are in the song for cabeza, hombros, piernas, pies. Okay, so do it with the 8 words and label your person that's on your paper. And then on the right side, it says in a different color. So that can be pencil and pen. It could be 2 different color markers, whatever, okay? So you're going to label the words arms, hands, fingers. Well, you see it on there. So let's go ahead and get started. Then I need you to work hard because we're going to turn in this page.